ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Myntri Rangbah jong kejela Konrad Konggal Sangma haka kendai terik ubenai rempang arajar arpuar ula Plie ba ye ka Saint Vincent de Paul Healthcare Center kebadan ha Bishop House Halombi Sentu Mihmyntdu West Gentia Hills District. Haswa ban Plie ba ye ka Jaka Ajing Sumar bala penyai de ka Balang Catholic la kirku kerdo bat penkentang do Archbishop jong kejela nyamba Shillong Most Reverend Victor Dingdo. Nagaliang jong Myntri Rangbah ulah kular ba unsa ajing irap sya kani ka center knang ba kanang laban penjanai shisho yaki kam shakri shiki ba hagapang ka shitam haga ni ka snila sakhilang da Myntri ka tanat ki kampo yeng uba la kamen rumboy u MLA jong ka Joy constituency uba Wailat Miki Shilla u MLA jong ka Umroy constituency uba George B Lingdo u MLA jong ka Mausan Ram constituency uba HM Shangpliang ki MDC ke Gentia Hills Autonomous District Council u Deputy Commissioner jong ke West Gentia Hills District uba Garot LSN Dykes bat kiway. Haga jo ko por Konrad Sangma ula Plie ba ya ke Surok ban Lecture Office jong ke Child Line ka ba ula ajing erap menba udang long u MP jong ke Lok Sabha.
So we are very grateful to God first of all, and then for your kind help through your Chief Minister Fund. We have utilized this approach route to our sideline office there, and also the social cultural pastoral center that we cater the whole people this area for different trainings on our people, agriculture, and all aspects. So may I invite you on behalf of all our diocese of Dubai, together with the Saint Paul Society, we combine it today to inaugurate this road.
Ministerial funds which we have, and then from the collection we have from benefactors and kind-hearted persons from everywhere. Also we utilize the money what we have in the building of the healthcare center. Our own eyes, we still have to be done for the welfare of healthcare center. So I beg your honor to kindly consider for the society, so that this society may go ahead for the welfare of the people.
All people, all sort of people, the lame, the blind, the deaf, the maimed, lepers, and all those who are possessed by evil spirit, He healed them. That is why our Lord was attracted so much people in the world, because of healing ministry and also for His compassionate love. Especially for the last 2 years, because of this coronavirus, deep fear, anxiety. Now, of course, we have to define again, post-COVID time, we have to take care that we will all be healthy. Therefore, as I thank God, I wish, especially our dear Chief Minister, Konrad Sangma, no other ministers here, MLAs, and all of you who have come today. May God continue to bless you, protect you, to be healthy, and wish you all the best in your life. And secondly, I wish also the Vincent de Paul Society, they have tried their best to help the poor and needy. Wherever the poor and needy, they are there to support. May God continue to bless them and help them to continue this good work. All we need is to help.
This is where our Archbishop and all the other Reverend Fathers and Sisters have been there guiding us, and we always look up to you for your prayers and blessings, and we always pray to Almighty that He will guide us in difficult times. Last 2 years have been very difficult from the COVID scenario, but apart from that, we have faced many challenges. But it is only through the guidance of the Almighty and His direction. And whenever we have prayed, our prayers have been answered. We have faced difficult challenges, but together with the society and together with our spiritual leaders like our Archbishop and our Reverend Fathers and Sisters out here.